In today's video, we're going to be talking about 7 powerful benefits of water for human body. Water has numerous benefits for the human body. It is essential for maintaining bodily functions, and staying hydrated can help regulate body temperature, aid in digestion, flush out toxins, boost brain function, support weight management, improve skin health, and support immune function. Drinking water can also prevent dehydration and muscle fatigue during exercise and promote better sleep by preventing snoring and dry mouth. Overall, water is a crucial component of a healthy lifestyle and plays a vital role in sustaining human health and well-being. Here are some of the key benefits of drinking water. It helps regulate body temperature. Water helps keep our body temperature regulated, especially during hot weather. It helps cool down the body through the process of sweating and prevents heat exhaustion. It aids in digestion. Drinking water before, during, and after meals can help with digestion. Water helps break down food and allows nutrients to be absorbed more efficiently. It also prevents constipation by keeping the digestive system moving smoothly. It flushes out toxins. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body through urination and sweating. It also helps regulate kidney function and prevent kidney stones. It boosts brain function. Dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and reduced brain function. Drinking water can improve concentration, cognitive function, and mood. It supports weight management. Drinking water before meals can help you feel fuller and eat less, which can aid in weight management. It also helps increase metabolism and promote fat burning. It improves skin health. Drinking water helps keep the skin hydrated, which can improve its elasticity, texture, and overall appearance. It also helps prevent dry skin and wrinkles. It supports immune function. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. It helps transport nutrients and oxygen to cells, and it also helps flush out bacteria and viruses. These are just a few of the many benefits of drinking water. It's important to stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water and other fluids. The amount of water a person needs varies depending on factors such as age, activity level, and climate. But a general guideline is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.